For your science experiment today, you will need some food colouring, some little cotton tips, a little bit of washing detergent like Mum and Dad might use to wash the dishes with, and a plate with a little bit of milk in it. First job is to add just a little bit of the food colouring to the milk. Some green, some blue, yellow, and some red, and then the detergent. And have fun with these incredible creations that are created through a chemical reaction. Now try one for yourself.